How to add story on Telegram? Are you guys facing issues to add story on Telegram? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Telegram on your mobile device. Once you open it, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the plus icon over here. Click on it. Once you click on it, now look at the left bottom of your screen where you can see this profile icon where you can see your photos. Tap on it. Now select the photo that you want to add story on. Once you select it, now click on next. Now click on post history. Once you click on post history, you will be added on Telegram. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna add the story on Telegram. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.